spicy pork, fluffy, noodly omelette. Do weeknight suppers get any better than this? I don't think so, my friends. This is my spicy pork and noodle omelette. Okay, so even though it's my job to cook things, I still get to the end of the day and I'm kind of like, so tired, and what am I gonna cook, and what do I have in the fridge? And I'm sure you guys feel the same way too. So the origin story for this one is pure like end of the day desperation. I always have noodles in my fridge, I always have eggs in my fridge, I always have some sort of ground meat, and of course, because I'm me, I always have something spicy, so some chilies or some chili powder. So this is what magically happened one night, and I thought I would share it with you guys because I loved it so much. All right, let's get on to our spicy pork topping first of all. Just need a little bit of oil in my pan. And in goes my pork. So like chicken, turkey, beef, mince would all be fine here. Or even some stir-fried greens as well. Actually, I do love this with stir-fried greens. Now I want some garlic in here, but because, you know, it's the end of the day and I can't be bothered to chop it, I'm just going to grate it straight in. And now let's add all the flavor, the special stuff. Fish sauce, some dark sweet soy sauce. I really love adding this one to a lot of my stir fries because I love the deep color it lends. And now some chili powder, optional of course. And then just because it's the weeknight doesn't mean we want to make things a little bit special. If you can, if you happen to have some fresh herbs, some beautiful Thai basil is great in here, but even just regular basil is good too, or some spring onions, or whatever you've got kind of kicking around in the bottom of the fridge there. Okay, and that's it for our pork topping. And now let's do the eggs. So I'm going to do 3 eggs per person because like I'm kind of greedy and, you know, it's a proper full-on supper here. And I want to season my eggs with a little bit of fish sauce and a little dash of pepper. And now noodles. You really can choose your own adventure here, whatever you've got in the pantry. I happen to have some of these like fresh ramen noodles. If you've just got like dried packet 2-minute ramen noodles, you could totally use those as well. Just rehydrate them before you pop them into the egg. Rice noodles are good too. And now here we go, let's make the fluffy omelette. I want a fair amount of oil in here. We are making an Asian style omelette here where we want things to get nice and brown and crispy. And I want this pan hot enough so that when I pour the eggs and noodles in, I hear a nice sort of sizzle. Should start to see the edges bubble up straight away. Now at this point I will turn the heat down just a little because I want the bottom to get really nice and deeply golden without burning, and I want the top to almost set. Now what I want to do here is flip that omelette over so that I can cook some of the noodle side and get that nice and golden. I'm just going to go ahead and do the Danger Mouse way and flip it over in the pan. You could totally use a spatula or, you know, whatever you like, but it doesn't matter too much if it kind of folds. You'll see, we'll fix it up. As long as it doesn't go on the floor. Okay, almost good enough. Now just uncover some of that. There we go. And see, look at that beautiful crispy golden brown color we've got on that first side. That is just perfect, and it's fluffing up beautifully now, and I'll just wait a couple of minutes to get a nice color on that second side. Now one more flip and you can see we've got that nice fluffy golden sunshine color there. Oh, it's making me happy already. Okay, now I just want to fold this over and and get that out onto a plate. Okay, now my spicy pork goes on top. And just a little bit of like optional extra for the end here, but I'm going to do some coriander. And a little extra chili. And there you go, my friends. A super easy omelette supper, and yet look at how fluffy and awesome and amazing that looks. Let's have a look. Do you know what's great about that noodle? It kind of like fluffs up the omelette even more, so you've got this kind of like creamy, fluffy omelette. And then that spicy pork just kind of hits you. That is truly, I mean, you know, forget hours making dinner. I could eat that breakfast, lunch, or dinner any time of the week. Yum.